Welcome to Bird of the Day. Today's bird of the day is the ringneck duck, a small diving duck that's found across most of North America. I'm confident I can find this duck. I was drawn to Fountain Creek Nature Center, a great spot for waterfowl. I stepped out of my car and was greeted by a red-tailed hawk. This one is a juvenile. He hasn't earned his bold adult colors yet. I reached the ponds and found a good number of gadwall. Mixed among the gadwall, I found American widgeon, green-winged teals, and today's bonus bird, the hooded merganser. The hooded merganser is a diving duck with a rounded crest on its head. They have serrated bills that help them catch fish underwater. Fountain Creek was a bust. So I stopped at Old and Reliable, a drainage pond where I had seen a ringneck duck in the past. At the pond, I found a flock of Canada geese. And cackling geese are a type of short, stocky bird that very closely resembles a Canada goose. They also flock together, so pay attention for smaller geese with shorter bills. Unfortunately, I saw no ringneck duck. I watched the widgeon feed in the shallows, and after a few minutes of silence, our duck floated out of the reeds.